pirates and their activities back to their ships, and the quickest way to get eyes back on, a double wing over, left and right. Beautiful formation there. Who needs the black hats when you've got a maritime role demo like this? So the pirates, they've now got their hostage. They're taking them into crowd centre. The Lynx will have been tasked to get a positive ID of the pirates, so expect them to pull into a position of hover to report their position back. Pulling hard on the edges and the collectives, vacating the area and confusing the pirates, manoeuvring as hard as they can so that they don't get a good firing solution on them. Their intentions now fully known. We have a Lynx and a Wildcat now coming into position. The Wildcat taking up a defensive position along the crowd line, so you get a lovely look at her. Take as many photos as you can of her. She's the future of maritime attack. She's leaving the Lynx now with a 50 caliber machine gun, ready to strafe those pirates, firing offensive shots at the pirates in order to get them to stop whatever they're doing, and it looks like they are petrified. There goes hostage. The hostage is a lovely damsel in distress, now free, streaking along the crowd line. She's free hard, but the pirates, they look like they're still up to no good. The Lynx will harass, she will try and get her to stop. The Wildcats will now take a flight along the crowd line, ready to protect her pair. There you go, the Wildcat now transitioning across, building up the speed. And I believe the Lynx has been given permission to engage the pirates with a sea skewer. So she's going to take a cyclic climb, turn around, get a good lock on that pirate contact. These sea skewer missiles, they've been engaged to devastating effect, not only in the Falklands but also in the Gulf Wars. A highly capable surface-to-air missile. The Lynx now locking on with her radar. So a double nose-over transition to the right from the Lynx and the Wildcat. Now the Lynx selecting another devastating weapon, the depth charge, ready to drop it in the position of the pirates. The depth charge will sink underneath the pirate boat, explode underneath, making sure that she's capable of no further activity. Splash. And as you can see now, we've got a hostage in crowd centre. She's been released and she's calling for extraction. Of course, the Lynx and the Royal Navy in general, being a worldwide force for good, we can not only smash up pirates and stop any illegal activity across the globe, but we can also rescue hostages and also any people who require our assistance. So the Lynx coming in now, she'll be deploying a hoist from the right hand side, in distress, winching her up to safety. The guys in the cab capable of providing them with any first aid that she might need, any aftercare.